Welcome to the world of clever space-saving gadgets, where innovation meets elegance and every inch of your home gets the respect it deserves. Today, I'll guide you through some of the smartest, most stylish solutions to keep your spaces organized and clutter-free. Before we take off, smash that like button if you like our efforts, and tap subscribe button to join our family for trending amazing gear. The Tatub folding TV tray table is the definition of versatility. Imagine a table that folds flat when not in use, yet instantly transforms into a stable, stylish surface for working, dining, or even crafting. Its sleek wood finish elevates any room, while the compact folding design saves space like a charm. Lightweight yet sturdy, this tray table blends seamlessly with modern or classic decor, making it a smart companion for small apartments or multi-use spaces. For those who crave hidden storage, the queen-size lift-up storage bed is a game-changer. Its lift-up mechanism reveals a spacious storage compartment underneath, perfect for storing seasonal clothing, bedding, or anything you'd rather keep out of sight. The smooth hydraulic system makes lifting effortless, and the bed itself maintains a classy, upholstered look that never hints at the treasure trove below. A dream upgrade for anyone tight on closet space. Stackable wooden stools bring you a simple but brilliant solution. These stools can be stacked vertically when you don't need them, freeing up floor space without compromising on style. Their solid wood construction delivers durability, while the clean lines and minimalist design match virtually any interior. Whether you need extra seating for guests or a place to rest your feet, these stools always stand ready, then vanish into a neat stack afterward. The Chillsack beanbag chair is here to reinvent relaxation. Designed with premium memory foam and an oversized build, it offers the coziest, most laid-back seating imaginable. Despite its generous shape, it can be tucked away into corners or moved easily, making it ideal for flexible seating arrangements. Its soft, removable cover is a breeze to clean, and the aesthetic is chic enough for adult spaces as well as playful enough for kids' rooms. Turn your shower into a luxury retreat with the NEWTRY 21 folding shower seat wall-mounted. Crafted to fold flat against the wall when not in use, it instantly saves precious shower space while providing sturdy, comfortable seating when you need it. Perfect for compact bathrooms, seniors, or anyone who prefers extra security while bathing, this wall-mounted marvel proves that practicality and elegance can coexist beautifully. Don't forget, you'll find the link for these stylish products in the description below. The Boreeman upgraded folding stool is small but mighty, compact, lightweight, and height adjustable. It unfolds in seconds to create a sturdy perch, then collapses into a disc you can carry anywhere. From camping trips to crowded kitchens, this stool is the hero you didn't know you needed. It's crafted from durable materials, designed to handle real-life wear and tear, all while slipping easily into a cabinet or closet when not in use. Tumbler Lid Organizer might sound niche, but it saves countless headaches. If you're tired of lids rolling around your cabinets, this organizer corrals them neatly and keeps everything visible and accessible. Its tiered structure maximizes vertical storage, ensuring you can grab the exact lid you need in seconds. It's a deceptively simple gadget that brings a surprising sense of calm to chaotic kitchen cupboards. The Pop Out Colander is proof that even kitchen tools can be space savers. Made of flexible food-grade silicone, this colander collapses flat for storage, then pops out when you're ready to rinse or strain. Its sturdy base and durable handles make it just as functional as a traditional colander, with the added benefit of vanishing into a slim drawer after use. Say goodbye to bulky strainers crowding your cabinets. Steve Minister. Carbon steel wall-mounted kitchen storage takes your organization vertical. With hooks, shelves, and baskets arranged neatly on a solid steel frame, you can hang utensils, spices, and cookware right where you need them, freeing up precious counter space. The industrial chic finish blends beautifully with modern or farmhouse kitchens, delivering both style and practicality in one handsome package. Two-pack, multi-purpose pull-out storage organizers transform lower cabinets into smooth gliding drawers, making it a breeze to reach everything stored in the back. These pull-out baskets are perfect for under the sink, bathroom vanities, or pantry shelves. Sturdy metal construction and smooth runners mean no more awkward bending or digging through clutter. Finally, you'll get the accessibility and organization you've been craving. Remember, you can find the link for these practical solutions in the description below. The Cisily Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer tackles countertop chaos in style. It neatly corrals your sponges, brushes, and soap into one compact elevated tray, helping keep water drips contained. With its stainless steel look and easy-to-clean build, it blends seamlessly with modern kitchen fixtures while keeping your sink area hygienic and clutter-free. A small touch with a big impact on daily routines. Gourmet Pull-Out Pots and Pans Organizer rescues your cookware from the dreaded cabinet pile-up. Its tiered pull-out design means you can finally store pots and lids vertically, while the smooth sliding mechanism ensures you access each piece without frustration. Sturdy enough for heavy cookware, yet gentle on finishes. This organizer transforms your kitchen storage into a streamlined system worthy of a pro chef. Boho wall hanging fruit baskets are as beautiful as they are practical. Woven with natural fibers in a bohemian-inspired design, these baskets hang vertically to free up precious counter space. Store fruits, vegetables, or even small household items, while adding an earthy, organic vibe to your decor. They're proof that storage solutions can also be works of art, breathing warmth and personality into your kitchen. The silicone utensil rest gives your kitchen a functional little upgrade. Designed with multiple slots for spoons, tongs, and spatulas, it keeps utensils off your counters, minimizing mess while you cook. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, it's a breeze to clean and tucks away easily in a drawer when not in use. Simple, elegant, and endlessly practical. It's one of those "why didn't I have this sooner" additions. Latuki rolling kitchen carts redefine mobile storage. With spacious shelving, smooth rolling wheels, and a sturdy frame, they move wherever you need them. Prep station today, bar cart tomorrow. When not in use, they park neatly against a wall, ready for their next mission. Their modern design fits any kitchen aesthetic, giving you flexible space on demand and stylish practicality every home can use. Be sure to check the description for links to all these genius finds. The VTop Mark IV pack large stackable storage drawers bring order to chaos, especially in pantries, closets, or under the sink. These transparent drawers stack securely, yet pull out smoothly, letting you see and grab exactly what you need at a glance. Their generous size handles everything from snacks to cleaning supplies, turning messy shelves into an organized haven you'll actually want to show off. Furology Kitchen Baker's Rack is the ultimate multitasker. With layers of shelving, dedicated microwave space, hooks for utensils, and even wine bottle slots, it turns a corner of your kitchen into a complete cooking command center. Its industrial wood and metal design feels modern and warm at the same time, proving you can store a ton of items without making your space look cluttered. A smart investment for anyone who loves to cook, bake, or entertain. That's a wrap on these brilliant space-saving gadgets, each one carefully chosen to make your home smarter, more organized, and undeniably more stylish. If you're ready to elevate your space, check out the links in the description and bring these ideas home today.